Never paid the price to be this way. Gave my heart to a thief. What a crime show. Can you kill with my diamond free? Thank you. Let's go. This was fun. Waking up and yesterday. Same girl I used to be, same way I never clean. This whole girl's just loves to confide and play. When the clock hits 12:38, I know it's too late. In a bunch of pieces in my broken heart beating, and I run and kill the person I could be. What's that point of dyeing your hair when it all just fades? If I had another chance, I would toss it over again. Another life, I would do the same. And then I choose to let the fire flame. We're SEPIA Times. Cebu. We've been making music, hello. We've been making music since 2015, and we're still so honored and grateful that we're able to do this until now. Pwede mo request lang ko na ipagawa sa ang kuan ako.